Today is day 15 cycling the Four Rivers Trail across Korea from Incheon to Busan. Today I experience a jaw-dropping ride as I make my way to the industrial city of Gumi. Annyeonghaseyo Wanderers, welcome back to the channel. The view from my window this morning is just unbelievable. So beautiful. Today we do go to Gumi all the way. I booked an Airbnb last night because I need a place where I can properly wash my clothes, and I made sure it does have a washing machine. Got the bike. That's the room they had me leave it in, which is nice because I just had to go down these stairs instead of going up 4 flights or 5 flights. It's very chilly this morning. My ears are cold, my hands are cold. I don't know if you can see my breath, but I can see it. Just got these crackers. They would call these biscuits in Philippines. These have been instrumental in my rides, dude. I've got some bananas left too that I'll also eat, but yeah, these are essential. We are in the fog right now. Oh man, it's pretty cool. Look at that crow or wraith. Hey buddy, he's big. There doesn't seem to be anyone out here on the trails today. Just me and a lot of fog. Back to Farmland this morning. Lots of rice. It's beautiful. The golden rice is truly, truly, truly gorgeous, even though it's everywhere. You do get a little desensitized to it. The real problem with it is that it smells like manure, which is to be expected, but you don't think about it when you're looking at the pictures. You're not like, oh, that probably smells like manure. But in real life, beautiful. Oh. Well, guys, I just almost crashed. I did not get it on video. I was cycling on this route where there's not too many people. There's one guy walking with his dog. I'm going by. And then suddenly it just loses its mind. It's like, whoa! It's rushed after me, straight at the bike. I braked as fast as I could, and it stopped in front of the tire. If I wouldn't have braked, I would have went right over it. I wouldn't have went over it. It would have taken me down for sure. It scared the crap out of me. The guy was definitely angry at his dog. I don't know why some dogs gotta be like that. It's always the little ones. I finally found it after years of searching. I found where marshmallows are natively grown. A really, really big day for me as a huge marshmallow and s'more fan. I can die happy now. This mountain over here is absolutely stunning. The way the fog's resting around it, the sun above it. I'm really hoping I don't have to cycle up it. Hello, doggy. Ah, that one was fine. Most dogs are fine, but every now and then one just loses it. We reached the next bridge and the next certification center. Actually, it's just down the hill already. I've been cycling for about an hour and a half. That includes stopping, recording, going to the convenience store. It's not been long. I'm a little frustrated because the Airbnb that I booked for tonight, they're being really serious about check-in. It's 5 p.m. and if you check in early, they're gonna charge 5,000 won, which would be fine as a base check-in early fee per hour though. Per hour, come on. That's so annoying. So I need to find something to do to kill time because it's 8:30. You're not supposed to go across the bridge on this path. You're supposed to just keep going straight, but we got time to kill. The water's green. I wouldn't drink it. I don't think it's meant to be drank. So it's a giant paint bucket spilling paint, I guess. That's what it looks like. I don't know why, but there it is. Just real straight and real easy. See something across that bridge though. It's too easy. Look, I'm going down a hill. I'm flying now. I'm trying to go slow. Come on, path. Give me uphills. For the first time ever, make me slow down. Ah, guys, we're gonna arrive in Gumi so early. I can't believe how easy it is to get to Gumi. I see city, guys, off in the distance. That's gotta be Gumi. It looks far, but it's really not. This is beautiful. Oh my God. Holy crap. This is so beautiful. The plants over there. Okay, we're gonna stop up here. Guys, the way the plants just cover everything here is super impressive. Wow, that is really cool. I'm impressed already. Let's get the rest of the way into town and see if I stay impressed. This bridge feels so much like one I would cross in Seoul or Incheon. I can't explain why, it's just the vibes. And all the traffic maybe. There's a lot more traffic suddenly. Looks cool though, I'm excited to be here. It looks like Four Rivers would normally continue down this one and then go over there somewhere, but we're staying in Gumi, so we're gonna head straight. Actually, I do see a lot of what looks like factories and stuff around here, and there's like no restaurants, nothing. I think I did see one convenience store. Yeah, I passed one convenience store. This must be the industrial side, and I'm walking toward the residential side. I'm just walking, and everything around me is factories. I've passed so many places like this with steam coming out of the ground. Ooh, and it does smell bad near it. I need to keep moving. I don't really want to breathe it in. Oh, there's Spider-Man on that building. I just noticed that. That's kind of cool. I see what looks like a nice park down there, and I would like to visit it. Maybe I can just go there now. Let's go eat, and then maybe I can just go to this park. Waste time before check-in. All right, I'm very much in the area with the restaurants, but there is nowhere at all to leave my bike. I'm not just gonna leave it out here with all, this is like a busy area. I'm not sure where to go. Well, the only place I could find that either it's gonna let me chain up the bike somewhere or eat outside so I can watch it is 7-Eleven. There's the bike. I'm eating over here. I have kimbap. I don't know. I've been so into this one since coming to Korea. I used to drink this as a kid. I haven't drank in a long time, but I'm like, ooh, this is pretty good. I did find a Pizza Hut that had a place to put the bike, and I was like, whoa, okay. They were carry out only. I have nowhere to bring the pizza. Just so frustrating. I feel like my day in the city is kind of ruined by this Airbnb's check-in time, which, by the way, they said was much earlier when you're booking it. I'm pretty sure it said 3, and then they wrote me today and we're like 5. And if you check in earlier, you gotta pay. There's like tanks and planes, and I don't know what this place is. And look at this one. It's a sundial, right? These things are truly insane. I don't know if all tanks are this big, but that thing is freaking huge. Jesus. If I saw that thing coming at me, holy crap, I'd be scared, definitely. It looks so small in the video, I'm telling you, it's huge. Ah, this one's cool. It's like they're going through the mud or the water. Maybe just the water. I don't know what its real name is, but it's got a big old picture of Gumi. So it's the Gumi bell. My second favorite bell after taco. park is super deep. It goes on and on and on. It started as a very modern park and it's become more like traditional, I guess, is the way you would put it, as it's gone on. Like, look at the bathroom back here. Pretty nice and much needed. It had been many hours. Alright, I believe this is the building. Let's hope so. Airbnbs can be hard to find sometimes, but this wasn't too bad. I know I complained a lot today about the check-in time, and after seeing the room, I take it all back. This was the cheapest room that I've had the whole trip. I think because it had no reviews. I might be the first one staying here, or one of the first. It was a risk. I even was reading online before, I'm like, should I book with no reviews? And a lot of people were like, yes. Typically, as long as the host is verified, which this one was, it's just a new place, and it's gonna be really nice. Well, let me show you. Let me show you. I take back all my complaints. Ooh, huge. That bed looks amazing compared to the floor last night. I have a couch. There's a projector. Maybe I will use that. A nice wall to project on. TV that I won't use, but a desk to store stuff. Bathroom that looks... Actually, my last bathroom might have been better. But the important thing, here it is. Oh my God. Look at it go. Just what I needed. While this one runs, I saw a Pizza Hut just down the street, so I think I will. There's breakfast tomorrow morning. Definitely. There's Pizza Hut, and right across from it is a bike store. I went ahead and ordered in Pizza Hut. I asked for an English menu because all the other pizza places I'd been had them. They didn't have, but the dude spoke perfect English, at least for ordering pizza. That was awesome. So I got a medium pepperoni. That's the smallest they have. They don't have small. I will say I really like the vibe in this part of the city. Now that I'm checked in, everything feels great. Honestly, wish I was staying another night, but that Airbnb is not available tomorrow. But it's nice. I like it. I've got my pizza, I'm feeling good, I'm headed back to the room. I'm not even gonna think about that I have to cycle tomorrow. I'm just gonna enjoy my evening, enjoy my morning. It's gonna be good. It says, enjoy the delight moment. You guys know the delight moment, right? It's different than US Pizza Hut for sure, which is a good thing. I think it might be my least favorite of all three that I've had here. Pizza Hut, Domino's, and Papa John's. I can't find Papa John's anywhere but in Seoul. Hopefully they have it in Busan. Anyway, see you in the next one. Keep wondering.